Welcome to Best Sellers Market, the channel where we dive into the top-rated and most popular products on Amazon. Today, we are thrilled to present a countdown of the best-selling etching supplies that every artist and hobbyist needs to know about. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner exploring the world of etching, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest tools and materials that have earned rave reviews from users just like you. These products have been tried, tested, and loved by the community, and we're excited to share them with you. Without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the top etching supplies that you can't afford to miss. Ladies and gentlemen, at number 5 in our lineup, we present to you the Armour Etch Glass Etching Cream Kit. Now, imagine transforming ordinary glass into extraordinary works of art. That's precisely what this kit offers. With its 10 ounces net weight, Armour Etch is meticulously filled by weight, not volume, ensuring you get exactly what you pay for. This isn't just any glass etching cream. Armour Etch is a specially formulated, fast-acting compound designed to create permanent etched designs on a variety of glass surfaces. Whether it's windows, mirrors, or household glassware, this cream does it all with remarkable ease. What truly sets Armour Etch apart is its unique glass etching system. You don't need to be a seasoned artist or have any previous experience. In just minutes, you can personalize and decorate glass or mirrors, creating stunning, intricate designs that will leave everyone in awe. Picture this. A simple glass vase becomes a cherished, bespoke piece of decor. It's that transformative. However, a word of caution. Armour Etch is not intended for children. It won't work on Pyrex, acrylic, or plastics, and it's not recommended for large solid areas of glass. But don't let that limit your creativity. With the right stencil, either pre-cut or custom-made, the possibilities are virtually endless, and there's more. The kit includes a set of Moshify application brushes, not one, but 2 fine brushes, so you can dive into your creative projects immediately. These brushes ensure precision and ease, making your etching process smooth and enjoyable. So if you're ready to elevate your glassware with beautiful, permanent designs, the Armour Etch Glass Etching Cream Kit is your perfect companion. Dive into the world of glass etching and watch as your creativity shines through every etch design. Coming in at number 4 on our list of top-selling etching supplies on Amazon, we introduce the Etching Cream for Glass Kit, the DIY art craft supply that empowers your creativity to shine through. Imagine taking a plain glass item and transforming it into a personalized masterpiece. This 2.82-ounce etching cream is water-based and non-toxic, making it safe for artists of all ages. Though, remember, it's not intended for children. The best part? It's incredibly easy to apply and remove, requiring no special equipment or training. Just grab your creativity and go. Once you've etched your design, the results are not just impressive but also long-lasting. This unique cream ensures your creations are durable and elegant, giving a sophisticated touch to your glass items. Whether you're using a pre-cut stencil or creating your own, the possibilities are endless. Clean up? No problem. The creamy etching paste dissolves effortlessly in water, leaving no messy residue behind. Simply clean your drawing pens and designed crafts with plenty of water immediately after use. And yes, your paintbrushes are reusable, ready for your next artistic adventure. But versatility is where this etching cream truly excels. Not only can it create permanent designs on glass, but it also works wonders on ceramic, stone, metal, and more. It's a fast-acting, specially formulated compound that broadens your creative horizons. In each kit, you'll find a bottle of this amazing glass etching cream and a set of art pens, giving you everything you need to dive straight into your projects. So, whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, this kit equips you to bring your imaginative visions to life. Elevate your DIY game with the Etching Cream for Glass Kit and watch your creative ideas take permanent, elegant form. Landing at number 3 in our top 5 etching supplies on Amazon, we have the Armour Etch Glass Etching Cream Starter Kit, bundled with Moshify application brushes. Are you ready to elevate your glassware with intricate, permanent designs? Armour Etch, in its convenient 2.8-ounce starter size, is your gateway to transforming ordinary glass into extraordinary art. This fast-acting, specially formulated etching compound is designed to etch glass surfaces, giving you the power to create stunning designs on windows, mirrors, and household glassware. Keep in mind, it's filled by weight, not volume, ensuring you get exactly what you need for your creative endeavors. What makes Armour Etch truly exceptional is its unique glass etching system. No previous experience? No problem. This kit allows anyone to personalize and decorate glass or mirrors in mere minutes. Imagine, from blank glass to a beautifully etched piece, all in the blink of an eye. It's an artistic revolution at your fingertips. However, a note of caution. This product is not intended for use by children. It's also important to remember that it will not etch Pyrex, acrylic, or plastics, and is not recommended for etching large solid areas of glass. But for detailed, precise designs, it's simply perfect. Ease of use is paramount with Armour Etch. Whether you prefer pre-cut stencils or crafting your own unique designs, this cream works seamlessly to bring your vision to life. And to make your creative process even smoother, the kit includes 2 fine Moshify application brushes, ensuring you can dive into your projects immediately with precision and control. With Armour Etch, every piece of glass can become a canvas for your imagination. So, if you're ready to create permanent, elegant designs, this starter kit is your perfect companion. Unleash your creativity and watch as your etched creations captivate and inspire. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling etching supplies on Amazon? Well, don't let your creativity fade. Be sure to etch out some time to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on the best crafting supplies. Keep those designs permanent and those notifications coming. Coming in strong at number 2 on our countdown of best-selling etching supplies on Amazon, we have the Armour Etch Glass Etching Cream. With a generous 10-ounce net weight, this product is designed to help you create stunning, intricate designs on all your glass surfaces. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the world of glass etching or a seasoned professional looking to perfect your craft, Armour Etch is your ideal companion. Its versatile application makes it perfect for windows, mirrors, and glassware. The high-quality formula ensures precise and clean etching results, making it the go-to choice for all your glass etching projects. What truly sets Armour Etch apart is its safe and easy-to-use nature. You don't need to be a professional or have access to specialized tools. With a straightforward application process, you can achieve beautiful etched finishes right at home. Imagine transforming an ordinary glass vase into a personalized masterpiece or adding an elegant touch to a mirror. The possibilities are endless. Multi-purpose and practical Armour Etch is not just for personal projects. It's also fantastic for creating personalized gifts, adding a unique flair to home decor, or even producing professional-looking glass art. It's an essential component of any glass etching kit, providing versatility and ease of use that few other products can match. And let's talk about durability. Armour Etch ensures your designs are not just beautiful, but also lasting. Your etched creations will withstand the test of time, maintaining their elegance through weather and wear. So, whether you're crafting a one-of-a-kind gift or adding a special touch to your home, you can trust Armour Etch to deliver results that are both stunning and enduring. Embrace your creativity and elevate your glass projects with the Armour Etch Glass Etching Cream. It's time to turn your glassware into works of art that captivate and inspire. And now, we've reached the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling etching supplies on Amazon. At number 1, we present to you the Armour Etch Glass Etching Cream, the ultimate tool for creating stunning designs on glass surfaces. With its 2.8-ounce net weight, Armour Etch is the epitome of versatility, perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Imagine transforming a plain window or mirror into a canvas of intricate, detailed designs. This cream makes it possible with ease. The high-quality formula of Armour Etch ensures that every stroke, every pattern, is etched with precision and clarity. Whether you're working on a delicate glassware piece or a large decorative mirror, this cream delivers impeccable results. It's the go-to choice for any glass etching project, providing a clean, sharp finish that stands out. What makes Armour Etch even more remarkable is its safety and ease of use. The user-friendly application process means you don't need professional tools or advanced skills. From the comfort of your home, you can achieve beautiful etched finishes that look professionally done. It's safe, straightforward, and perfect for unleashing your creativity. Armour Etch is multi-purpose, making it an essential component of any glass etching kit. Whether you're personalizing gifts, enhancing your home decor, or creating professional-grade glass art, this cream is your trusty sidekick. It adapts to your needs, delivering versatility and reliability in every project. But it's not just about creating beautiful designs, it's about making them last. Armour Etch ensures that your creations withstand the test of time, maintaining their elegance and beauty through weather and wear. Your designs will remain as stunning as the day they were etched, showcasing your artistry for years to come. In the realm of glass etching, the Armour Etch Glass Etching Cream stands supreme. Elevate your artistic endeavours and turn your glass surfaces into masterpieces that captivate and inspire. It's time to embrace the art of etching with the best tool in the market. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling etching supplies on Amazon. To stay updated with the latest top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured items. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.